It's clear. So here at t is equal to 0, at t is equal to 0, switch is closed at this position. Switch is here, switch is closed means before t is equal to 0 minus just instant of before switching action. That means switch is under open circuit condition. T is equal to 0 minus acting as a open circuit switch. Switch acting as a open circuit. That means before switching action t is equal to 0 minus switching is open means here also switch is under open. Here also switch is open. Okay, under steady state condition. Okay, before switching action one steady state condition. After switching action is also one steady state condition. Okay, before switching action, so what is the current flowing through the inductor? That means current flowing through the inductor is equal to 0 before switching action because of it is not connected to the supply. So it acting as a like this before switching action. So it acting as a open like open switch. Okay. This is the position of the switch at t is equal to 0 minus and also at t is equal to minus infinity. So at this position. At this position, switch is open. At this position also switch is open. Under steady state condition, so what is the energy stored in inductor is equal to 0. Current flowing through the inductor is equal to 0. That's why IL of 0 is equal to 0. This is the position of this. These initial conditions are indicated like this. Okay. So if initial conditions are indicated like this means, okay, that means at t is equal to 0 minus. So what is the position of this switch here? Is closed. Okay. T is equal to 0. Switch is open means t is equal to 0. The switch is acting as open circuit. Means t is equal to 0 minus it's acting as a closed. Then only it is possible to open at t is equal to 0. Understood? At t is equal to 0 for the state, the switch is open means t is equal to 0 minus state, it acting as a short circuit. Then only it is possible to open at t is equal to 0. Otherwise, it is possible. Understood? So at t is equal to 0 minus. So what is the position of the switch here? Okay. What is the position of the switch? Is closed now. So like this. At t is equal to the switch is so like closed. Okay. So same voltage. Okay, this is called R. So what is the current here? IL of. So this circuit is under 0 minus state and t is equal to minus infinity state. So here what is the current here? Current flowing through the inductor. IL of 0 is equal to 0. Because of it's not connected to this RL. Okay. So that's why what is the current here? 0 amps. What is the current here? So under steady state condition, so what is the IL of 0 minus that is equal to IL of 0 minus infinity. Same. Understood? So under steady state condition, inductor acting as a short circuit. Okay. Under steady state condition, inductor acting as a short circuit. Here, so inductor acting as a short circuit means here whatever the current here, same current here. Okay. So that's why the circuit will be again so like this. Acting as only R. Understood? So this is only it's a short circuit. Inductor acting as a short circuit. So what is the current here? IL of minus infinity. Am I right? So V R. So that's why IL of minus infinity that is equal to IL of 0 minus also. Understood? So that's why IL of 0 minus is equal to. So what is the current here? So V by R. So V by R. This is the current. Understood? So this switch based on initial conditions, based on switch, so we have to understand the concept of current flowing through the inductor. Here switch position is different and here switch position is different. Based on that, you are getting the values. Okay, IL of 0 and IL. So inductor does not allow the sudden changes in current. Okay, so here switch is at t is equal to 0, switch is closed, means before switching action. So this is under t is equal to t is equal up to here, t is equal to 0 and t is equal to minus infinity. No? So at t is equal to 0 plus. Okay, at t is equal to 0 plus. So what is the position of this circuit? Understood? At t is equal to 0 plus means just instant of switching action. No? T is equal to 0 minus means just instant of after switching action. Understood? So at t is equal to 0 plus means at just instant of after switching action. So this is two circuits for at these two circuits for so just instant of before switching action. Okay, so just after the switching action, how the circuit will be like? Just after the switching action, inductor does not allow the sudden changes in current. Am I right? This inductor does not allow the sudden changes in current. That's why it is acting as a open circuit. It's clear. So at t is equal to 0 plus. So at t is equal to 0 plus. So the inductor does not allow the sudden changes in current. No? This inductor does not allow the sudden changes in current. That's why it is acting as an open circuit. Okay, it does not allow the sudden changes in current. That's why it is acting as an open circuit. So that's why this circuit will be like this. Understood? So same voltage V plus minus, but here switch is closed. At t is equal to 0 plus, switch is closed. Understood? Switch is closed, but inductor not allow the sudden changes in current. Okay, not allow the sudden changes in current. That's why it acting as a open circuit. Understood? It acting as a open circuit. This is the position of the switch at t is equal to 0 plus. At t is equal to 0 plus, what is the position of the circuit? So like this. Inductor does not allow the sudden changes in current. So here, so current before t is equal to 0 minus, what is the current here? IL of 0 minus is equal to 0 amps. Na? Same at the instant of switching action also. Inductor acting as an open circuit. Na? So what is the current here under open circuit condition? What is the current flowing through the inductor? This inductor. So what is the current flowing through the inductor? IL of 0 minus plus also just after the instant of switching action also 0 amps. Okay, understood? Before switching action, so what is the current here? Same amount of current appear after switching action also. Understood? So this is the current flowing through the inductor just instant of after switching action. So the circuit will be like this. Understood? Under steady state conditions, what is the position of the switch? What is the position? This is different. Slowly is charging. Under steady state condition, inductor will be at t is equal to so plus infinity. At t is equal to plus infinity means at t is equal to plus infinity, what is the position of the switch? It's closed. Am I right? Here at t is equal to 0, switch is closed. That means here at t is equal to 0, switch is closed. At t is equal to 0 plus, at the instant of switching action, switch is closed. Under t is equal to plus infinity, under that condition, so inductor will be acting as a short circuit. No? Inductor acting as a short circuit. That's why. So what switch is closed here. This is called switch is closed, and inductor will be acting as a short circuit. Am I right or not? Under steady state condition, inductor will be acting as a short circuit, and this. So what is the voltage here? Plus V, and this is called R, and what is the current here? IL of infinity. Understood? IL of infinity. Then IL of infinity is called V by R. So V by R. So V voltage by resistance is called current. Okay. So this is the circuit position under t is equal to infinity condition. So here t is equal to 0 minus case, this is the circuit position. At t is equal to 0 place, just instant of switching action, inductor not allow the sudden changes in current. That's why it acting as open circuit. Then the current flowing through the inductor is equal to 0, same as previous t is equal to 0 minus condition. After long time switching action, that means after switching, switch closed long time, after switching closing long time. So what is the position of the switch? Short circuit. And then inductor will be acting as a short circuit. And then what is the current, steady state current flowing through the inductor is called V by R. So V by R. So here, so what is the at t is equal to 0, switch is so like open circuit. No? At so what is the position of the switch here? At t is equal to 0, switch is closed, open. At t is equal to 0, switch is open. Okay. At t is equal to 0. At t is equal to 0 minus, switch is closed. Okay. That's why whatever the current present in previous case, same amount of current present across the inductor. IL of 0 minus IL of minus infinity. Okay. And under steady state condition, the switch is closed like that. So what here? So minus infinity case, switch short circuited. Here plus infinity case, switch short circuit. That's why same circuits. Circuits are same, but switching positions are different. Okay. So inductor stored some amount of energy, IL of 0 minus. Okay. So what happen if inductor exists some initial conditions? For example, inductor, this, so try to consider here. So this is called so this is inductor. For example, inductor, current flowing through the inductor before switching action, some amount of current, so I not exist. I'm assuming like this. This is called initial conditions are exist. Initial conditions are exist. So previous case initial conditions are 0. IL of 0 minus is equal to 0. So under steady state, because of under transient condition, inductor not allow the sudden changes in current. Am I right? Under transient condition, inductor not allow the sudden changes in current. Okay. And also inductor, it acting as an open circuit. Under transient condition, it is not allow the sudden changes current means, so it acts as a open circuit. Inductor under transient condition not allow the sudden changes in current. Current flowing through the inductor is not allow during transient condition. Okay, sudden changes in current inductor not allow. That's why it acting as a open circuit. But initially there is some amount of current flowing through the inductor. That is called IL of 0 minus is equal to I naught. IL of 0 minus is equal to I naught. So that's why it acting as a source. It acting as a source. So like this. It's open circuited, but it acting as a source. So this is one of the important concept. Okay. Understood. So, but previous case, for example, if initial conditions are 0. Okay. IL of 0 minus is equal to, for example, 0 amps. IL of 0 minus is equal to 0 amps. And that case, so what is the current flowing through the inductor is equal to 0, no? 0 amps. But here I naught amps. Okay. Previous case, initial conditions are, so here initial conditions are 0. Initial conditions are 0. But here initial conditions are exist. Here initial conditions are 0. Okay. So here there is no energy before the switching action. That's why under transient condition, okay, inductor just acting as a open circuit. Just to act as a open circuit. So there is no source. Here current 0, no? That's why there is no, it's not acting as a current source. But here different. Before switching action, before transient, that means before connecting to the device into the circuit, this device into the circuit, some amount of current already exists across the inductor. some amount of already current is exist across the inductor, that is called I naught. Okay, because of that, after switching action, just instant of switching action, inductor not allow the sudden changes in current. That's why it acting as an open circuit, but it acts as a source because of initially some amount of current exists across the inductor. So I naught, L of 0 minus is equal to I naught. So some amount of current exists across the inductor I naught. So that's why it acting as a source if initial conditions are exist. If initial conditions are so not exist, that means IL of 0 minus is equal to 0. And that case, so this inductor not allow the sudden changes in current. That's why it acting as a open circuit, and there is no current previous before switching action. There is no current. That's why it acting as a just open circuit switch. Okay. Similarly, inductor also. Okay, but inductor is represented as a in series. Okay, so inductor represented is different. For example, inductor, I mean capacitor. For example, capacitor. This is the capacitor. I'm assuming so this is the capacitor. Okay, so capacitor. So previous case, I mean before switching action. For example, this capacitor current voltage across the capacitor is equal to 0 volts. Okay, inductor does not allow the sudden changes in voltage. So voltage across the capacitor VC of 0 minus is equal to 0. Okay, initial conditions are so not exist. If initial conditions are exist means, okay, so for example, VC of 0 minus or 0 or is equal to some amount of voltage that is called V naught. Okay, initial conditions are exist. Initial conditions are exist. Here initial conditions are so not exist. So because of before connecting to the device, so the voltage across the inductor is equal to capacitor is equal to 0. The voltage across the capacitor, some amount of voltage that is called V naught. Okay. If so inductor for capacitor is called capacitor, initial conditions are exist. VC of 0 is equal to so V naught. Okay. So initial conditions are exist. Initial conditions are exist. On that case, so capacitors does not allow the sudden changes in current voltage. Capacitor does not allow the sudden changes in voltage. So does not allow the sudden changes in voltage means it acting as a short circuit. Okay. Capacitor under steady state condition. Steady state condition. Steady state. Steady state condition, capacitor fully charged. Fully charged. Steady state condition, capacitor fully charged. That means voltage across the capacitor is called is maximum voltage. Okay, understand? Under steady state condition, capacitor is fully charged. That is called half CV square. The voltage across the capacitor is maximum. So that means the maximum voltage appear across the capacitor. The maximum voltage means under open circuit conditions only. Under open circuit condition only, the maximum voltage appear. Under open circuit condition, voltage present. Okay, current is 0. Okay, under short circuit condition, so voltage 0, current present. Am I right or not? So under steady state condition, capacitor is fully charged. Okay, that is called half CV square. Energy stored in capacitor is called half CV square. Store the energy in the form of electrostatic field. That's called maximum voltage. So it acting as a open circuit. Okay, understood? Acting as a open circuit. But this called under steady state. But steady transient condition. Transient condition. Transient condition. Capacitor is not charged. It's like a short circuit. There is no voltage across the capacitor. Voltage across the capacitor during transient condition. Voltage across the capacitor is 0. So that's why it acting is a short circuit. Understood? Under steady state condition, capacitor is fully charged. That's why maximum voltage up stored across the capacitor. That's why it is acting as an open circuit. Transient condition, so the capacitor does not allow the sudden changes in voltage. That's why the voltage across the capacitor is equal to 0. That means it acting as a short circuit. It's very, very important, this concept. Okay. So try to come here. During transient condition, capacitors not allow the sudden changes in current. So means it acting as a short circuit. So like this, it acting as a short circuit. But initially some amount of voltage presented across the capacitor. That's why it acting as a source plus V naught. It's clear. So for an inductor, so how it is like inductor for inductor? So we are represented as like this, no? Current for inductor. If initial conditions somehow exist, that is called I naught for inductor across the inductor. This is across the inductor. So under transient condition, so what is the voltage across the capacitor? So this equal to 0 because of short circuited. Capacitor is short circuited during transient condition because it does not allow the sudden changes in voltage. Capacitor does not allow the sudden changes in voltage. That's why it is acting as a short circuit. Understood? If initial conditions are exist here, if initial conditions are not there, initial conditions are not there. That means Vc of 0 is equal to 0. Vc of 0 is equal to 0 volts. At that case, so this voltage across the capacitor is equal to 0. So that means, so during transient condition, the capacitors not allow the sudden changes in voltage. That's why it acting as a short circuited. Okay. But there is no voltage. There is no voltage across the capacitor. It's not acting as a source, just like short circuit. But here previous case is acting as a source. Here is not acting as a source. So here V naught is equal to 0. Okay. Here V naught is equal to 0. There is no voltage source. So V naught is equal to 0 means voltage 0 under short circuit condition. Okay. So like this. Circuit behavior, if initial conditions are not exist, under that case, capacitor will be acting as a short circuit. Here, capacitor will be acting as a short circuit with voltage. Okay. Initially, this some amount of voltage V not present. That's why it acting as a source. Similar, same as previous case. Inductor acting as a source. Na? So same like this. Okay. Based on this concept, you can easily understand the concept of series RL and RC circuit. It's clear. Series RL and RC circuit. So that's why Vs minus L into di by dt is equal to 0. So we will get the equations. Growth of rise of current in RL circuit. So, okay. So growth of rise of current in series RL circuit. So Vs, you know, well, R into R plus L into di by dt. So currently increasing growth of rise of current. Current is increasing in the series RL circuit. How means? So you know well, these are the different type of derivations. Okay. So using initial conditions at t is equal to 0. So at L of 0 minus at t is equal to 0 minus I of 0 minus is equal to 0. Okay. That means there is no current before the switching action. Before switching action, there is no current flowing through the inductor. That means inductor current flowing through the inductor is equal to 0. Okay. I have 0 is equal to I have 0 minus is equal to I have 0 plus. Okay. So current just instant of switching action, current flowing through the inductor I have 0 minus is equal to I have 0 plus. Understood? I'm already explained. I have 0 minus is equal to I have 0 plus. Just instant of switching actions. Okay. So we'll get like this and then. So you will get the equations I of t is equal to Vs by R into 1 minus e power minus R by L into t. By substituting the different values of currents times. So the phi t is called generally steady state current time. Okay. Theoretically, t is equal to infinity, the current in the inductor reaches to a steady state value. Okay. T is equal to infinity, current inductor reaches to steady state value. But in practice, inductor current reaches to 99.3%. By substituting the T is equal to 5 time constant in this equation, we'll get a 99.3% of the maximum value. That means generally we can call it as a phi is equal to T is equal to 5 time constant is called steady state time. Okay. So this is about the growth of rise of current. So currently growth is increasing. So try to consider here. So this is called Karai of T, current growth and slowly increasing. Okay. Current is slowly increasing. So this is also increasing. So starting from 0. Okay. Understood. But here, so voltage across the coil. So try to understand this waveform. So current is goes on increasing means inductor is allows the current maximum. Current flowing through the inductor goes on increasing, slowly increasing. Finally, so maximum amount of current is passing through the inductor. That means inductor will be acting as a short circuit. Okay, the maximum current flowing through the inductor at I of t is maximum under t is equal to infinity case. Okay, this is the time t tends to infinity. Current flowing through inductor is maximum. Understood? I of t. Okay, under the current flowing through the inductor is maximum means it acting as a short circuit. On that case, what is the voltage across the inductor? 0. No? Under short circuit condition, voltage across the inductor is equal to 0. That's why so the voltage across the inductor is goes on decreasing. At a transient condition, inductor acting as an open circuit does not allow the sudden changes in current. At t is equal to 0, inductor does not allow the sudden changes in current. That's why it acting as an open circuit. That's why voltage across the inductor is maximum. Okay, that's why at t is equal to 0, okay, the inductor current is voltage across the inductor is maximum. Current is very less. That's why the voltage across the inductor is slowly decreasing and the current is on increasing. Okay. So thus there is the concept behind of that. For the circuit shown in figure 10.12, this is called 10.1. For the circuit shown in figure 10.12, the switch has been closed for a long time. The switch has been closed for long time. Okay. At t is equal 0, switch is open. At t is equal 0, switch is open. That means t is equal to 0 minus or minus infinity. Switch is under closed condition. A switch has been closed for a long time and then opened as t is equal to 0. So that is the meaning of switch. At t is equal to 0, switch is open. Before switching at t is equal to 0 minus or t is equal to minus infinity, switch is like a closed manner. Understood? This is the circuit. Find VAB of 0 minus. VAB of 0 minus means voltage across the inductor. Okay, voltage across the inductor, VAB of 0 minus. Then Ix of 0 minus. That means switch is under closed condition. Switch is under at t is equal to 0. At t is equal to 0, switch is open means t is equal to 0 minus. Switch is under closed condition. T is equal to minus infinity also, switch is under closed condition. This is acting as a short circuit. Okay. So in that case, find the voltage across the inductor, VAB of 0 minus. Find the current flowing to the, so like this, Ix of 0 minus. And IL of 0 minus, current flowing through the inductor, IL of 0 minus. And Ix, just after the switch is closed means, just to open the switch, find the current flowing to the inductor. So just after the switching action, find the voltage across the inductor. Okay. Under steady state condition, find the current Ix of infinity. Under steady state condition, so what is the switch position? Open condition, find the current flowing through the, so like this, for flowing through the resistor or inductor is same as series because of it is open. Okay. So first one, how to find VAB of 0 minus? VAB of 0 minus. How to find VAB of 0 minus? That means switch at t is equal to 0 minus. What is the position of the switch? What is the position of the switch at t is equal to 0 minus? Is open. No? VA, okay. At t is equal to 0, t is equal to 0, switch is open. that means at t VAB of 0, at t is equal to 0 minus, switch has short circuit. Understood? T is equal to 0, switch is open means t is equal to 0 minus, it acting as a short circuit. Okay, short circuit. So under short circuit condition, at t is equal to 0 minus, so means at t is equal to, what is the position of the t switch at t is equal to minus infinity? Short circuit, na? T is equal to 0 minus, switch is in short circuit. Okay. So at t is equal to 0, switch is closed. At t switch is open. Okay. At t is equal to 0, switch is open. Means t is equal to 0 minus. T is equal to 0 minus. What is the position of the switch? Closed. Na? T is equal to minus infinity case also closed. So under steady state condition, switch is acting as a short circuit. So it will be acting as short circuit. It's clear. So short circuit means, so it is acting as a short circuit. Under steady state condition, inductor acting as a short circuit. Under steady state condition, inductor acting as a short circuit. That's mean VAB of 0 minus is equal to 0. Understood? VAB of 0 minus is equal to 0. It's clear. It's clear. So is he acting as a short circuit? No? Switch is closed and short circuited, and these two are connected. This is called 0 ohms. This is called 0 ohms, and is the 6 ohm resistor, 0 ohm resistor, both are in parallel. That's why there's no current flowing through this 6 ohm resistor. Total current passing through the, so this like this only. No current flowing through the 6 ohm resistor. And 10 and 5 are parallel, and then I is equal to 20 divided by this parallel combination is called current flowing through the inductor, IL of 0 minus. Okay, try to concentrate here, try to understand this concept. Ix of 0 minus is equal to 20 by 5. So how means, so this acting as a short circuit. At t is equal to minus infinity, at t is equal to 0 minus, it acting as short circuit. That's why no current flowing through this device. Current flowing through this device is equal to 0. That's why 20 volts applied here and here. 20 volts applied here and here. It's parallel. No? These two becomes parallel under robust closed condition. 20 volts applied here, 20 volts applied. 20 by 5 is called 4 amps current flowing through this branch. Ix of 0 minus. Okay, understood. And 20 by